So the world decided to give us little random clouds today around here. We don't often see this as we approach summer. So I'm going to see if I can get some shots of olive using Sony A7C off-camera flash. Quick look at the clouds. That's what we're dealing with. I think we should be able to get something dramatic. Let's head up the hill. Well, this should be interesting. Got my mic right there, try to protect it. It was not windy when I left the house. Super windy now. So, this could be a challenge. What I'm going to use today is the Sony A7C, the Flashpoint or Godox XPLOR600, and the X1 flash trigger. Hopefully I don't blow away. Hopefully the umbrella on the light doesn't cause me too much trouble. All right, let's try to do this. Olive, look, come here. Olive, look. This fucking thing went over. It's unclear to me at what point that fell over. I'm gonna go ahead and go because it's about to take my umbrella clean off, perhaps with the light. Got some okay shots, I think. Olive's ears are blowing all over the place, but it's just too windy to handle this. So hopefully we got some of that on camera. Let's head back down the hill. Wow, that was by far the windiest conditions I've ever shot in. No, wait a minute, the second. One time the umbrella completely opened the reverse way and blew down the hill. That was the worst. Today was the second worst. Also, because I am fully committed to breaking something every time I go out, I broke the XPLOR600 bulb. The funny part is, that didn't happen in the field. That happened here at home when I lifted up the case and it fell about 6 inches and broke the bulb. Now I've had that thing fall off my light stand onto concrete. I've had it blow over in the hills and never lost the bulb. Lost it at home on a carpeted surface from 6 inches. Don't really get it. Okay, let's take a look at the photos and see what we got. Okay, so if you look at this, I only took 15 total shots up there. It was just way too windy. So if we scroll through these real quick, you'll see kind of dark. We're getting the exposures set. She's moving around. Little toothy smile. A little better. Ooh, kind of like that one with the ears. And I like these couple. And that's the one, and there's the last one. That's the one I'm choosing as my shot. I like that, kind of like her looking off. Ears are kind of blowing in the wind. And you see some dramatic clouds there. So there it is, pretty quick and simple. Managed to get a shot I'll actually keep. So that was nice. That was the first time, well, that was the third time I've used the A7C out in the field with the off-camera flash. First time with no problems. I had the right trigger. I had it fully pushed in so that there was no problems like last time. and was able to get the shots I wanted. So I'll keep working with that. Anytime there's sort of nice skies or cloudy, moody skies, I try to get out. So got a keeper. I'll keep working on it. All right, happy shooting. Have a good weekend.